All right, let's step into the fitness studio, and this is their gym, and let's take a look. So we've got some shelves here that you can put some, maybe a towel or something else. And then right off here, we've got a spin cycle. It looks like 2 spin cycles. We've got just something another bike machine. We've got 3 walking, kind of walking machines, and then we've got 4 treadmills. I do notice also there's TVs on top, so I'm assuming that you can maybe use a signal to dial in to if they're having games or whatever is showing on TV. So it looks like this is the cardio side. By the way, that is facing the pool over there. So you've got good views over there. Over here, this is more the weight side. There's dumbbells that are over there. And then you've got a couple of mats over here. There's a few, and just about 3 kettlebells over there, some other equipment. There is, let's see, I have not seen an item like this machine aided, but it does look very, very substantial. And so it looks like you can do presses here, and let's see, pull downs and things like that, and looks like some chest presses there too. So anyway, you've got that. So I'd say pretty much a cardio with light weights, and that's the gym that you have available. And all right, let's look at a final couple of things on here at the Stella.